You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I hear that today the news Marjorie Taylor Greene couldn't pronounce it properly, so it's a tricky word, honestly. Let's break it down. In British English in the UK, indictable. It's pronounced not indictable. The C is indeed silent, so it's not indictable or indictable. Indictable in American English, indictable. Indictable American English, or UK British English, indictable. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.